Hi guys, so in today's video I wanted to do a casual lookbook for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy. Majority of the stuff here is from Shein, so shout out to Shein for sponsoring today's content. So let's get into it. It's from Target, the bottoms are new, and from Shein the glasses are from Amazon. I have some Hermes slides on, and I have my JWPE bag, and I love a good monochromatic look. Okay, if you have green slippers, you can definitely switch it out for green slippers, but I love the monochromatic look. I could definitely switch out the green bag for a white bag and it will look equally as amazing. So this is the first look. This is another casual look. Glasses for Amazon, top is Zara, the shorts are from Shein, they're new also. These are a little bit too tight for me. I can't even zip the waist, but I really like them. I would definitely say go up a size in these because they have no stretch, and I think I got a large. I should have gotten an extra large, and I don't know if it's because I'm on my period. These can't even zip up, so I won't even try. I have some Hermes slides on, the white one that I had before, and my Brandon Blackwood cow skin mini trunk. So this is another casual look, going out to shop, run errands, you know. The glasses are from Amazon. The top is from Pretty Little Thing. The skirt is from Shein. I'm definitely glad I got a large in this, because if I had gotten an extra large, the waist would not be as tight. And then I have some cute sandals on. Can't remember quite where I got them, but I love them. Okay, and my bag is also from Brandon Blackwood. I love a good crossbody. This would be perfect to run errands, chill with your friends, go watch a movie. Yeah. Top is from Target. Pants is from Shein. I love sweatpants from Shein. I do wish these has pockets though, but I love the waistline detail. It accentuates your waist, and I love the color. The color is super different. So this is something that I wear to grab groceries, run errands, or even go to the airport in. And I would definitely like pop it out more with some really banging jewelry, like some gold hoops or some silver hoops, some chunky necklace, chunky bracelet. But this is like a casual fit that I will run to Walmart in or run errands. So this is the next outfit. This is, I'm going out to brunch with the girls. We're drinking mimosas till we pass out. Glasses is from Amazon. Top is from AliExpress. Definitely get a size up, because I think I got this in a medium. I should have gotten it in a large. This has zero stretch. Shorts are from Shein. Absolutely one of my favorite shorts for summer ever. This is actually a two-piece set that I left the shirt out, the top part, and I'm just wearing the shorts. I have some Hermes sandals on. My bag is also from Shein, and this is the look. Okay, super cash, but the glasses is making it pop. The top is doing what it needs to do. Okay, we're ready to drink mimosas all Sunday fun day. So this is the next look. Last and final look. The top is from
listen. Seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yep. Tension between us just like picket fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you, no. No. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you, no. No. Seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yep. Tension between us just like picket fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you, no. No. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on